Begin by cleaning the phone screen thoroughly. Remove the cut from the sheet. Make sure all 3 layers are removed. Place the cut over the phone. Check if the alignment is correct. If the alignment is incorrect, lift all 3 layers and adjust the alignment. If the alignment is correct, holding onto the mark sticker, lift the hydrogel from the vertical side to the midpoint and gently push the bottom layer outward using the squeegee. Follow the same procedure on the opposing side. Press and paste the curved corners with your fingers or squeegee. Remove the corner part of the top layer, leaving the hydrogel on the phone. Using the squeegee, push out the bubble in the corners out. Other bubbles, lines and shades will disappear automatically within 24 hours.